Hi friends, let's have a look. SDLC modules. So we have modules like waterfall model, then agile model, V model, spiral model. So in waterfall model, it's a linear approach where each phase is completed before moving on to next one. In agile, it's a iterative approach where requirements are continuously gathered and implement in short cycles or sprint. Then we have V model, a development process that follows the shape of the V diagram with testing and like verification and validation at each stage. And then we have spiral model. So a risk driven approach where the project is divided into smaller cycles with each cycle focusing on specific areas of the project. Thank you.